Y'all, happy Thursday, happy Friday evening. I just want to come on and say hi, welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you all. I don't get many views, but thank you for those that come over and support and just give me encouragement, and I try to do that for others as well. I want to talk about something that's really not, it doesn't affect my life in any way at all, but it's kind of saddening to me to see some of the things that I have been, and I don't know why it comes up. I don't know, I try to be positive, uplifting, share things and all that, and I don't get a lot of views, but that negativity and the baby daddy, baby mama, all those type of things, that to me, and that's fine for people who like that, but I'm half a century, so I'm way past that stage. It's elementary to me. But some of the things I have seen, let me tell y'all something. My pastor always he always says, you're no better than anyone else. You're no better than that prostitute, that drug addict, because those are the people that the Lord uses and that he gets the glory. You understand what I'm saying? But there is so much negativity, and I'm telling y'all, one of the ones I saw literally brought tears to my eyes. Let me tell you why. Because if you're a person and you care about somebody, and you see everything that people do is put them down and make them feel inferior, you don't have to put out anybody else's life for yours to shine. Michael Basin used to say that all the time, and it's so true. If you see a person and their situation is dire, or you feel like you're in a better situation, don't use that as a way to make yourself superior. Use what you know to help somebody.